So I just realized it's fall. I am so behind. Phew. Ooh, that's better. Alright guys, so I forgot and I started installing the hair without showing you guys my braid pattern. My bad. So here's it. It's just like this is it, guys. There are 2 going around the sides all the way back, and then there are 5 shorter ones going straight back. And then I left my fronts out so that I can pull it back or blend it better, because it looks like, I don't know. I don't know. Alrighty guys, so I just wanted to show you guys, this is actually 2 sections from 1 pack. Each pack comes in 3 full sections. I'm gonna try to get some on the side. I don't know if I'm getting it, but I'm gonna try. And like I said, 2 sections from 1 pack. As you can see, it is already full, which y'all know I love. So let me go ahead and finish. I'll come back after I get 1 full pack installed, show you guys that, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so here is 1 pack fully installed. A lot of hair. But I like it, you know, I like big hair. So here's the hair before I get into the 2nd pack. It is the Outre Xpression. There's the Outre. Outre Xpression Twisted Up, and it's the color 21B350. That's how the front of it looks. Like I said, it's 21B350, and it is 24 inches. Got it off Amazon. I will leave the link below this video. I'll tell you guys more about that at the end, but let me get back into finishing this hair. Okay, guys. So I have 1 more section left in my 2nd pack. As you guys know, I bought 2 packs of this hair. Or maybe you don't know yet. I bought 2 packs of the hair. And this is what I'm going to stop with tonight. You guys see how big it is? I'm thinking about doing the twist out thing up here, but I'm not sure yet. I kind of got to take it down and see later. But right now I'm going to go to bed because it's really late. My little one's already down. So I'll come back tomorrow to finish this whole process up and show you guys the final results.
2 weeks later.
Alrighty guys, my apologies on it taking so long for me to do this video. This hair has been up for like 2-3 weeks now. But I wanted to go ahead and get to it so you guys can have an idea about this hair, because I've gotten questions about it and I was like, I didn't think people were going to really care for this hair, but they do. So this hair came from Amazon, you guys. It is the Outre Xpression Spring Twist Up hair in 24 inches. It was $25 a pack. I used 2 full packs. It took it 2 days to get here, guys. It was some of the fastest shipping that wasn't Prime that I've ever had in life, and I was so happy about it. So I got this hair in the color 2T1B350. As I said, it's 24 inches long. I did cut a lot off. When I say it was out here, it was out here. And there was nothing I could do with it out here. I tried to pull it up, couldn't do it. One of the big scrunchies popped out here. So I had to cut it down just a little bit, But so far, you guys, I really love this hair. It mimics type 4 hair, you guys. And when I say mimics, it mimics. It's very similar in texture. Sorry, I'm hot sitting in front of these lights. It mimics the texture and everything of 4 hair. They have it in a bunch of different colors, you guys. So if this is something that you're interested in, I will leave the link below this video like I always do. But this hair has been really good so far. I've been pulling it up mostly because I've been moving around. I get to sweating and working out and such. Didn't want it on my back, so that's why I ended up this low to begin with. It wasn't supposed to be this short, but this is how it turned out, and it's actually really pretty, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. Oh, and another reason why I cut it this short, you guys, I have a toddler who's quite interested in my hair every time I do it. And he just stand there and go. And I'm just like, bro, you got to stop doing that. That's gonna be a no for me, though. So since I've worn this hair for a little bit, I do have some pros and cons for you guys. The pros is it's very natural looking. It's still very flowy, still really bouncy, all that good stuff. The con is it gets really natty. So I've been having to kind of keep going through it over and over again and cutting out some of the natty pieces. If it gets pulled, the hair completely straightens out in that section. You gotta just kind of cut it out, which I don't like that either, but I think that's kind of what happens with a lot of synthetic hairs, that it kind of loses its shape once it's tugged or pulled too much, but it has a bit of matting, and that's the problem with, especially at the nape. You have to make sure that you keep going through that section, and you have to make sure that you're cutting it because it will mat all the way down, and honey, you can't do nothing when it mat all the way down. I tried before with a different type of hair similar to this one. That's why I'm handling this one a little bit differently, but if you don't mess with it and it start natting up, sugar problems. Underneath this, you guys, my braiding pattern was very simple. I did it was two going this way because I left my perimeter out, but I decided to put my perimeter in, so I ended up braiding those parts up as well. So it's kind of like two braids right here, they're tucked into themselves, and then one, and then there's 5 going straight back that are kind of short. But the reason why I did it that way is because like I said, I used some hair like this before, but the color wasn't what I was anticipating, and since it was a little bit different, I went ahead and just braided it all up and put all of it into this style. I wasn't anticipating using as much as I did. I got like 2 more little sections that you can pull apart, but it's really pretty. It's still really flowy. Like I said, it's been like 2-3 weeks. I've been working out, I've been out in the sun, I've gone places and been in a ponytail most of the time, and it's still like, girl, you better ask somebody about me. Shoot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this hair. If you're gonna try this hair out, if you really like this hair, leave me a comment down below, let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. I love interacting with you guys. You are the absolute best. So again, my name is Jazz. If you are new here, please consider subscribing before you go. I post every Monday and Friday, anything to do with motherhood, lifestyle, and beauty every now and again. I post at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, and if I don't post on Friday, I make sure to post on Saturday. I don't tend to miss very many videos. And if you're one of my returners, hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments below. So again, thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.